Hello everyone, welcome back to the TechOps Sri Lanka YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about how to create a free Microsoft Outlook account, which Microsoft applications you can access free after creating the account. Let me explain an important thing. Currently Microsoft does not allow to create using Microsoft free account directly from the website using QR code authentication. When we try to register on Microsoft website, the QR code does not link properly with our mobile device and the authentication process fails. Please watch the video so you can get a clear idea about how it's going to fail on the website. So, how can we create a free Microsoft Outlook account? Yes, there is a working method. I'll show you exactly how to do it. Take your mobile phone and install Outlook app from the Play Store or Apple Store. Open the app and tap on Create New Account. Fill in the details required such as email address, password, name and country. Next, Outlook will ask you to verify that you are a real human. Simply press and hold as instructed. Outlook will continue creating your account. During the process, the app will automatically set up your passkey for your account. If Outlook asks you to add another account, tap maybe later. For this video, we are not adding another account. Then accept privacy settings and tap next to continue. You may also be asked to allow notifications. You can enable them if you want or skip this step. Now your Outlook account is successfully created on your mobile phone. After creating the account, you cannot access immediately sign in from your PC or laptop. You must wait 24 hours before logging in on a computer. This is normal. Now Microsoft applies this delay for new account. After 24 hours, go to Microsoft Outlook on your PC or laptop, enter your email address and click next. A QR code will appear on your screen. On your mobile phone, open the camera app and scan the QR code. The app will authenticate your account using the passkey. You may ask to add a recovery email address. For this video, I am skipping that step. Once completed, Outlook will open successfully on your PC. Now your free Microsoft account is fully activated. With this free account, you can access following application on web. You may get 5 GB of free cloud storage, Microsoft Teams, Forms, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, OneNote, To Do, Clipchamp. These are the applications you can use on web. I hope you have enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If this video is helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the TechOps Sri Lanka YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching.